everybody, so we're going to do a real quick one today. A lot of people do this one, and now that we have the exhaust on the car, it is quite loud inside and I'm tired of hearing it. So we're going to do the sound tube delete. It's going to clean the bay up underneath the hood, and there's no reason to not do this. I don't like this fake crap and programming car sounds into your stereo like a poser. So we're going to delete this sound tube thing. Now we have an 1.5 inch pipe cap from Lowe's, it's a couple bucks, and a 3/4 inch plug from Lowe's, and this was like $1 something. Most people use the plug that comes in the hidden cigarette lighter port in the glove box, but instead of doing that, we're just going to put an actual plug in it, and if it's too long, we'll cut it off. And we're going to silicone both of these so we don't get any leaks anywhere. Don't want water coming in the car, and certainly don't want anything getting in the air intake. So let's go pop the hood and change it real quick. Okay, so here's what we're going to be doing. This is a sound tube. It just plugs into the intake. It's one hose clamp right here. There's two 10mm bolts holding it on, and it literally just plugs into the firewall down there. So let's go inside the car and take it off real quick. I already threw the plug in here, and where we are plugging it, it's actually right there. So you can actually just push the hose out, jam it in there like it's prom night, like that. Oh, and it's nice and snug, so we don't even need to silicone that. Can't even tell. There she is. Okay. It's a little bit more than I thought it would be. Being a fake noisemaker. It's really far in there. That, and that's gonna go right over the top. Pull the sticker out, because knowing my luck, somehow the car would eat the sticker. So we got no sticker in there. Cap on there, snug it up. Certainly don't want this coming off, and probably be a good idea to periodically check it to make sure that it hasn't. Alright, there's that part done. Okay, now we're going to need a 10mm socket, and we need to remove a couple of bolts. There's one right here, and there's one right here. So let's go ahead. It's 10. Well, good thing I have 40 of those just for such an occasion. Anyway, and as anybody who has watched any of my videos knows, I tend to put hardware back once I take it out, unless I'm absolutely certain I don't need it. And since still new to this car, I'm not exactly sure what I need and what I don't need yet. So if you know for a fact we don't need, actually, I know for a fact that we don't need these. They go into blank space. A couple of good metric bolts to save for later. Now, we have 2 clips left. There's a wire tender here, and there's a wire tender right down there. So, probably pull those right off. I tend to get a small screwdriver or pinch the back of it like that. And that one goes into the fender well, so we're gonna have to just pull that one out. Like so. Now, being careful of our wiring. There it is. Much, much cleaner looking. Now that we've done this, I'm going to call the fire department, the police department, and search and rescue and try to hunt up the deep 10mm socket that has fallen into the abyss. Okay, so I'm going to be completely honest. I dropped the socket to be funny, and I can't find it now. I actually cannot find that socket. So this is what happens when you try to be clever and humorous and funny and make a funny little video. You actually lose your crap. So I'm gonna try to shake it out going down the street, see if I can get it out. It's not on top of the splash shield, and it's not on top of the frickin' exhaust manifold that I've been able to find. FML. Thanks for watching the video, everybody. Please like, comment, and subscribe right here for more Rage Fuel content. We'll see you next time.